Well, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? Today, the Nashville Flea Market. One day, this guy woke up and decided, what the hell, I'm gonna sell bubbles at the flea market. Is that not awesome or what? Welcome to the show. Here amongst all the boxes, you too can be just like BP. Carry your own. They even make one in a plastic case. That's realistic. All right. Hey Harlon, how are you?
Good.
I know y'all don't recognize him, but I had his tan shorts and red shirt on. Forgive him. He was 33 this morning. Ooh, look at the little bike for sale. Yeah.
It's a beer bike.
I wonder if they let us go ride it around. Can we test drive it? I do like the Michelob beer sign. All right, let's get us a good on the van. I don't know why. Cool signs. And that's what I do on the front of the van right there, so people know I'm serious when I'm behind them. It'd be like on the Dukes of Hazzard. Boss Hogs Cadillac. BP's van. Oh, we have to go check out this. Just all right, we found another video star here at the flea market. Muppy, how are you? Muppy has a video channel with Dave here. The Muppy and Dave channel.
Should be Muppy and Dave, that's right.
I'll put a link up there. I have to put my finger there to remind me. You got anything to say?
She been eating Cheetos. Is there any rescue?
No. Muppy was getting belly rubs for $1, but I don't see the sign anymore.
She was making me some money. I was pamping her out.
All right, there's your cool sign. This is for all of you. They look so much better now. We're gonna come check out the scratch and dent. You should always check out the scratch and dent. Cups, buck. Anybody need your lights? How bad is your cold? Is your cold bad enough that you can take out-of-date stuff? 2017. Let's see what there was. Rows and rows and rows of stuff. Trading cards. Let's see. Oh, what? Race car. Loser. If these are sealed, always check all razors. They do very well. Not anything at the flea market. Hey, I think we found what we needed. Dun dun dun. Ooh, look at the tables. Dun, dun, dun. This is all the stuff you know, Harlon. I don't know anything about this junk.
What's that?
I don't know anything about this stuff. If you wrap it in plastic, it must be nice. Box super fast. Classics. GT Racer. Oh, walking in shoes. You see everything at the flea market. Oh, it would drive my three crazy. They're going crazy just because I'm thinking about it. I'm telling you right now, y'all need smell-o-vision.
Actually, I'll do 2 years of corn.
2 ears of corn. That's what she'll do. Ooh, they got funnel cakes. So yum. The yum starts here. Cheeseburger, fruit tea. Right, the yum starts right there with funnel cakes. That's where the yum starts. Yes, Harlon has ditched his coat. Hey, check out his new video because he's making a video of the same flea market. Harlon's reselling adventures. The dude in front is now going to be having a camera in his hand. And there was much rejoicing. Yay. Anybody know what kind of car that is? Just kidding, I don't care. Now that's pretty cool. Alright. Next building. I know it doesn't look like I'm buying anything, but I bought 3 or 4 things, so we'll do a show and tell when we get home. It's just a video, don't lose your head. Old number 7, 255. I'm telling you, I need a set of these for the front of the van and a train horn. Rookie. Let's go over everything I bought. This is not going to take very long. I bought this guy. It's got the charger, the manual and everything. It's never been used. Although all the plastic and everything's on, it's been taken out but not used. The battery is still in its box down there. I guess you can see it. Yep, I'll put in the next coming up a eBay auction. Paid $25 for the camera. The Sony camera is the Sony High 8 and it sells for, the last one sold used for $153. So I'm figuring this thing, I'm gonna list it tonight, so I figure it's gonna be probably listed for $175, $180 best offer. Alright. And the next thing we got in the bag, I got a set of 4. Y'all excited? Y'all ready to see if I break it? I've already figured out I'm not the most gentle person with all this stuff. That's my beer. These are now my last blue mugs or glasses there. Heavy cobalt. got a set of 4 of them. Those are mine. I probably overpaid for them. I paid $20 for the set of 4. They're older, but yeah, I'd never seen anything in the South like them. So hey, sometimes it's about making money. Sometimes it's about stuff you want. Sometimes it's about because you're damn cold and you had to take that with you. But that's it. I know. To all the things I've seen and everything I walked around, this green game's like my best, right? Alright, so had a good time hanging out with the fellas.